YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for y'all, man. Today, before we get into the video, man, I just want to give a shout out to all of the subscribers to the channel. Everyone that's been down with the channel since day one, especially since the resurgence of the channel a little more than a year ago. Over the last couple days, we hit 2 huge milestones. We hit 550 subscribers as well as 35,000 views. Thank you so much to everybody who shows support, who clicks into all the videos, who leaves likes, who leaves comments. Thank you guys so much. You guys don't understand how much that means. Now, for those of you that are new, however, make sure that you hit that subscribe button to join the channel. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified when videos come out and you learn a lot of things. Also, through my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. Those of you that follow my Instagram, you would have seen that this morning I'm not even going to call it a hit because it's not a hype shoe, but I did get the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct 2.0 on the Nike sneakers app. Now, the reason why I won't call it a hit, that might be a video for another time, but long story short, if it's a shoe that doesn't sell out, you can't really say you hit on it. You know what I'm saying? You don't go to the mall, pick up some all-white Air Force Ones and say, yo, I hit on some Air Force Ones. You just got them. So I got the Animal Instinct 2.0s. Those will be here. It says right now July 6th, so probably not till like July 15th with everything and the way that shipping is going on right now. But that's that. And then last but not least, man, smash that like button, man. Helps the channel, helps the video get shown to new people, and helps us potentially get new family members to the anonymous Sneakerhead family. Now, let's get into the point of today's video, man. So you read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. Those of you that have been around for a while know what my favorite sneaker silhouette is. I'm actually sitting in front of all of them right now. They go down to the floor, but my Reebok Kamikaze 2s are my favorite sneaker silhouette of all time. And today, the black and white pair. Now, I'm not going to say the OG pair, the OG Sonics pair, because there's a little green in the heel, which I'll show you once I get them on the OG pair. But close to an OG pair of Reebok Kamikaze 2s are coming out today. Stores open at 11. It is now, what time is it? It is now 10:30. Once again, I don't think this shoe is super hype, so I didn't go ahead and try to get there that early. But I'm going to head over to the Champs in my hometown. There's only one sneaker store in the mall in my hometown, which is why, like, when you guys see me do mall vlogs, I go to different malls or different stores. There's like 6 malls within a 30-minute radius of me, and the mall in my hometown is the newest, and so far we only have one Champs in there, no other foot stores. But like I said, I don't think this is going to be too hard of a sneaker to pick up, but for me personally, something I'm super excited about. I love Kamikazes. They're the sneaker that got me into the sneaker game. But that's enough talking, man. I'm going to go put on my vlog glasses and we're gonna go pick up these Kamikaze 2s, and then I'll get back here for a review.
Alright, YouTube, so you know how we do things. First decision of the day is I gotta figure out what I'm wearing. And since we picking up Kamikazes, you already know that I'm wearing one of my mini Kamikazes. You can see that I made a hole for the ones we picking up right now, but I'm gonna have to go with one of my grails right here. One of these. Take this out. This is definitely one of my grails, one of the coldest sneakers of all time in my opinion, and that's the Reebok Kamikaze 2. Remember the Alamo. So that's what we going with. Let's go pick up these kicks. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, big ass mall right there. Getting ready to turn into the mall, the newest mall in my area. Only reason why I'm showing y'all the whole outside of the mall, just quick shout out to the homie who met his girlfriend actually when they were building this mall in my hometown. She was the project manager here, so shout out to you, shout out to the homie. This mall is dope. So excited to have our own mall in my own town. As you can see, it is massive. Getting ready to turn into it right now, and we're gonna go pick up these Kamikazes. It's 10:54 a.m. You know what I mean? Mall opens at 11. So once again, shouldn't be too hard of a sneaker to get, but we will see. Alright, park and pay for it. This is dope. You can see the footstep on the ground to get the hand sanitizer, so you put your foot on it, bang, and it squeezes it down there for you. Well, this one's all messed up, but good idea anyway. Now, let's go get these boys, man. Here they are. Alright, y'all, so the bag is secured. There was a real OG in there, because, you know what I'm saying, game recognized game. He saw the Remember the Alamos on feet, and he already knew it was up. He was in there picking these up too. You know what I mean? Reebok Kamikaze 2 is, to me, one of the most slept on silhouettes of all time. My favorite silhouette of all time. But got him in hand. Let's get him home, open him up, do a review. Maybe an on foot today, I don't know. We'll see.
Alright, YouTube, we are back, man, and I am so excited to have these in hand. Once again, those of you that have been around, you guys know how I feel about Reebok Kamikaze 2s. They're the sneaker that got me into the sneaker game. Where is it? This one right here in particular. Of all the sneakers that I have, this is the first sneaker that I ever purchased. The Reebok Kamikaze 2 Ghost of Christmas Past. As you can see, it's got a lot of wear and it's just beat up, but I still wear it to this day.
To this day! To this day!
One of my favorite sneakers of all time, and this is my favorite sneaker silhouette ever. You know what I'm saying? Last year, you guys could see it right there. The Remember the Alamo Reebok Kamikaze 2 was my #1 pickup of the year. It's always been a grail sneaker of mine, so I'm so excited to have it, man. And now, let's get into what we have right here. So first off is, since the last time I bought a Reebok Kamikaze 2, which not even to Remember the Alamos, but the ones before that, definitely changed the packaging in the box, which is cool. You got a drawer box, and you got that black here with like a weird texture to it, and you got a smooth black here and like a glossy white, which is really cool, because one of the things that, the reason why I like the Reebok Kamikaze 2 so much is on the actual shoe, how they play with materials and different panels of the shoe. Some shoes will have like a suede here, a patent leather here, a leather here, a tumbled leather, a alligator skin, whatever, and they change each panel of the shoes material every time. So I think the box is pretty indicative to what the sneaker actually is and what it means to me. So I'm going to pull the drawer out right here, throw that to the side. Before we even get into it, let's just read the label. So this is a size 12, as you can see, personal pair, and the official colorway is black, white, and black. You know what I'm saying? Reebok keeps it simple. It's not Nike where it'll be like ash black or charcoal black or dark gray or like eggshell white or whatever. You know, Nike always got them crazy colors for just like something simple like black. But let's get the shoes out right here. I'm taking both of these things out. You know what I'm saying? Get this box out of here. You don't wear the box. Get out of there. And here they are. They actually both have tags on them. So when you do get Reebok Kamikaze 2s, it does come with tags just telling you about like the technology in the shoe, the insole, the hexagon, what's it called, hexalite or something like that. The hexalite technology in it. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, hexalite. So you do get that on there. Let me just get these off real quick. Alright, so now, man, I do have the tags off of there. Now we can just get into looking at the shoe. I just love the zigzag pattern of them. That's what drew me to them in the first place when I was young. Let's just look at the right shoe right here. So these are, a lot of people saying this is the return of the OG sneaker. This is not it in the OG form. The OG form would be up here. It was white. It's basically almost a reverse. It would be white here, black on the zigzag, white here. It basically reversed, right? And then the Reebok logo itself would be black, and also on this little part right here where it's black, I don't know if you can see it, but right here, I'll attach a picture, but it's green on the OGs. But man, this is really close to the OG. Out of all my Reebok Kamikazes, this is my 7th one. You would think that I had, like, I guess the Nocturnals are kind of black with a little bit of green in them, but you would think that I had like a neutral color, like a black or a white. But I finally got one, man. So excited to have these in here. Y'all don't understand. One of my favorite sneakers of all time. Great material on here too. This suede, nice long hair suede. I don't know how well you can see. It's hard to show black shoes and white shoes on camera, but man, the suede, the material on these, 10 out of 10. And then once again, like I was saying with the box, they mix up the materials, give you that leather on the zigzag, which is fire. You got that little leather on the heel and the pull tab, rubber outsole with the hexalite, or rubber midsole, sorry, and outsole with the hexalite showing through the inside. Same technology that they have on, what do they have off the top of my head? I know the questions, the Allen Iverson questions have them. I think the answers have them too, and I think the Shaq Gnosis OGs have them as well. And once again, so I love this colorway. So I do also really like the Shaq Gnosis, which I don't have a pair of, and I missed out on them releasing earlier this year. So I'm looking for a new pair, for a size 12 pair to get, but it's in a similar colorway to these. I just really love the color blocking on the Reebok Kamikaze 2s. Again, man, just, man, y'all can see I'm so excited to have these. I'm not going to do an on foot right now. I'll probably do an on foot tomorrow. and lace them up as well, just because I don't want this video to be too long. And I'm thinking about maybe putting white laces in here. These do come with black laces. They don't come with an extra set of laces. But maybe putting white laces in here just to the whole theme of the shoe, you know what I'm saying? Black, white, black, and then put some more white right there, you know what I'm saying? Keep the pattern going. But we'll see how that looks. I might do it in the video for tomorrow. These are definitely going to be in my top 10 pickups of the year, but I will not be releasing my top 10 pickups of the year tomorrow. I'm going to do that on the last day of June, since we'll be halfway through the year, and I'll actually do the top 10 holding, picking up, and showing you guys each of the shoes. So that will be coming. These are definitely going to be in there, man. Once again, so excited to have these in hand. The Reebok Kamikaze 2 mids. Let me know if you guys picked these up. Let me know if y'all were checking for them, if you were sleeping on them, if you don't care about them at all, if you're like, why are you so excited about this Reebok sneaker? It's not Nike, it's not Adidas, it's not hype. Let me know what you guys think about the Reebok Kamikaze 2 in general. This colorway, any colorway, what's your favorite colorway? How do y'all feel about Sean Kemp? Because me personally, it don't got nothing to do with Sean Kemp. Sean Kemp's a great player. He's a great player, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't have anything to do with Sean Kemp. Reebok could have released these and they could have been just called Reebok basketballs and they look just like this, and I would have got them. Now, my only complaint on these, before I end the video, my only complaint on these is that the retail price on them was $130. The last time when we were getting all of these Kamikazes behind me, as you can see, those all released within like 6 months of each other, the ones that I had, and I just went crazy and picked them all up, except for the Remember the Alamos. I didn't get those until last year, but they all retailed for $100. These retail for $130. Yes, the materials on them are great, but the materials on all those are great. Okay, we did get a different style box, drawer box, but it's just inflation, you know what I'm saying? Jordan 1s went from 160 to 170. It is what it is. But man, I'm so excited to have these in hand. The $30 extra, man, I'll take it on the chin. You know what I mean? I'll take that one. And especially if you look at all my other Kamikazes, once again, with the exception of the Remember the Alamos, I got all of them for under retail because it's just a shoe that people don't check for and they sit and they go on sale. But I wanted these ASAP Rocky. So excited to have them in hand, man. That's it for this video. Like I said, the on-foot lacing will come tomorrow. Might put white laces in here, might not. We'll see what that looks like. But all of that will come tomorrow. One more time, man, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, join the channel. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're at 551 subscribers at the time of me recording this video. Smash that like button, helps the video get shown to you and to new people, helps bring more people to the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Then follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information there first. Posted about these already on there. And you guys, once again, if you follow my Instagram and have been around, you're not surprised that I picked these up and how I feel about these. Really love Reebok Kamikaze 2s. But man, that is it for this one, man. So excited to have these in hand. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.